Hey YouTubers, this is Gopher Bob on the Gopher Bob channel, and today we are reviewing set numbers 4519. Okay, the crisscross track. Alright, and that's them there in Lego setting or train track. There's two of them. This is the boxes they came in. Alright, just like that, and let's open one up. And you got the one piece, that just one of those, and the box, that's the back of it. And let's have a look at the advertising material. That's it, and diagram there of you can short it out by doing, these things. It's probably why they changed from 9-volt to remote control, maybe, but there's some layouts and different sets you can get over there. Alright, but that's it. It integrates with the modern day system as well, which is really, really cool because you can use them. Just put all that back. So that's these two boxes. Alright, and that's these ones here. Now, we'll take one out. And it's to do it, to separate it, is you lift them up. Alright. That's how you do it. Alright, but that's a pretty straightforward track. They were $20, they're about $100 now these days. This is from 1999. And it still integrates into the modern day city, which is absolutely fantastic. I know you can make these up using modern track and modern pieces. You bring straights to there, and then there's YouTube videos on making crisscross track with the modern tracks and things, which is really cool. But I got two of these, and I need to use them. I've also got the one with the contacts in the middle to the 12 volts. I got one or two of those as well, but they can't integrate with the modern system, which is a bit of a pain, so I'll have to use a different separate system for my 12 volts. Alright, but that's the way it is. Putting it back, there's two of those. Yep, putting it back. Put those there. Get it there. Oops. That goes there. Goes there. That goes there. And that goes there. And that goes there. Alright, and yeah, that's it. Oh, oops, bit of a mistake there. That was contacts there has come off. Anyway. There we go, better. Alright, cool. All done. That's it back in place. Crisscross track. One piece that comes with it. Set 4591 from 1999. Alright. That's it. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.